It took much longer than I expected, but I'm back, and I'm back with clarity. In under 2 minutes, I'll tell you what's changing and how you can still stay connected with us. First, I want to say thank you to our 36 loyal subscribers. You didn't leave, and that warms my heart. Here is the honest surprise. The old faceless videos weren't working, so I'm changing how we do things. Here is the new plan. From now on, Rowshan will only be making simple, interesting, and helpful videos in Urdu. Fear not, we're not abandoning our original community. You can still find our research on our new website for free. And as a token of gratitude, in the description is a list of my favorite English crypto YouTube channels. Thank you for being here. Truly, we're building this together, step by step. Until next time, stay Rowshan.